How to set up remote desktop in Windows 11. Enabling remote desktop in Settings Part 1. Click the Windows icon. Click the Settings icon. Scroll down and click Remote Desktop. Click to switch on the remote desktop. Click Confirm. Check the box and note remote desktop port number. Click on Remote Desktop Users. Click Add. Add the users and then click OK and OK. Changing the remote desktop port Part 2. Click the search icon. Type Registry Editor and click Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted on. Double-click the RDP TCP folder and search for the name port number. Double-click on port number. Click on decimal and change value data, then click OK. Enabling inbound for remote desktop port Part 3. Click the search icon. Type Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security and click Open. Click on Inbound Rules on the left side of the window. Click on New Rule on the right side of the section. Select Port from the Options menu and click Next. Select the TCP option and follow the other steps before going to the next page. Click the Allow the Connection option on the next window. Check All option and click Next. Choose a unique name for inbound port and click Next. Look for New Inbound Rules in the middle of the screen. Port Forwarding Part 4. Make sure your Windows 11 computer is connected directly to Internet service. Open Command Prompt. Type ipconfig and press Enter. Go to any browser and log in Technicolor ISP website. Click the Connection tab and follow the other steps before going to the next page. Click on the Reserved IP option. Click the Application tab and follow the other steps before going to the next page. Click on the plus sign on the right side of the port forward table to set up the port forward. Open any browser and type, "What's my public IP?" Setting up remote access Part 5. Type Remote Desktop Connections in search bar and click Open. Insert your public IP and click Connect. Go to the Local Resources tab and checkmark the option box. Click General tab and type your public IP address, including a port forward number with a colon separating them. Insert your username and password and click OK. Click OK when done. You are connected to your Windows 11 computer remotely, which you can access from around the world. Thanks for watching.